Hello, good evening everyone. So once again we are together for the second part of trigonometry topic which we began yesterday. So today, the 9th of July 2020. If we talk about yesterday's class, whatever we did in the end, same thing you are able to see right now on the board. And all of you are asked to get one activity done. And the activity, if I try to remind you once again, we took a line, horizontal line, and we took 3 points A, B, C at distance of 2, PA2, then PB5 and PC 10. And then we made a perpendicular, we constructed a perpendicular at point A on this line which intersected this acute angle at A dash, BB dash here and CC dash. So in a way we got three triangles. Triangle number 1 PAA dash, second is PBB dash, PAA dash, PBB dash, and the third is PCC dash. And then if you remember, I told you to find the ratio between the opposite side and the adjacent side. I gave you in writing everything. So can I get answer from your side that what did you get? And as far as I know, I also did some work on this, and then I came to the conclusion that the values that we got for each ratio here, all these three, they were coming almost equal to each other. I am telling almost because due to human error while measuring, we commit some mistake. There is a minor difference of some millimeters in the calculation, but if you use accurate instruments, then you will see that the values which you will you will be getting in the first case, in the second case, and in the third case will be exactly same. And when something is same, we can give a name to this. It is constant. So the ratio between opposite side and the adjacent side, when we found that it is coming exactly same, the mathematicians, they gave a name to this and they called it tangent. So what happens when you get a constant, that means you get the same value again and again, then that becomes a constant. And the mathematicians what they concluded, that in a right angle triangle, if you have opposite side divided by adjacent side, you always get a constant value for a particular angle. That means for this angle P, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So in this case, opposite side and adjacent side, the ratio is same. This upon this is same as this upon the whole length is same as this whole thing upon this PC. So they gave it a name and they call it tangent. Tangent of what? Because this angle P is very important, that's why they call it tangent of angle P. Okay, so the angle is important and the ratio is called tangent, and in short, the same tangent is also written as tan of some angle. And if you call this as theta, then we can say that this is tan theta. Please remember, this tangent is not the tangent which we use in case of a circle. That if you have a circle and if you draw a line which touches the circle at one point, then we call this as tangent. We are not talking about this tangent. This tangent is the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side in a right angle triangle for a particular angle is called tangent. In the same way, opposite side, when it is divided by hypotenuse, opposite AA dash divided by PA dash, then this also comes same if we take different triangles. So in that case, this particular ratio is called sine of angle P, which in short is written as sine theta. Theta is this angle. And in the same way, when we proceed further, we find that this ratio, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, adjacent side means this which you usually call as base, this when divided by hypotenuse, once again you get constant every time, so this is called as cosine. So this is cosine of angle P, or in short it is called as cos theta. So in trigonometry you will be able to see this sine, cos and tan again and again. And if there is a question, when somebody asks you what is sine, what is cosine, then you should give a clear cut answer that sine is the ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. What is cosine or cos? Cos is the ratio between adjacent side with the hypotenuse. Ratio means division, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So please remember these terms. And if I erase this now, those who did not do this activity, I request them to do once again. Please measure yourself, check, and then feel happy and satisfied that yes, we are getting the same thing. So if I erase this portion, now you can see easily opposite side upon adjacent side is this tangent, opposite side upon hypotenuse is this sine, and adjacent side upon hypotenuse is this cosine. So this is very, very important. One has to remember this. Let's move ahead now and use this information in knowing something more, something new. Suppose I take a right angle triangle. Once again, whenever you talk about trigonometry, everything, whenever there is a problem or there is some equation, some identity, everything begins from a right angle triangle. And please note, this time we are having this acute angle on the right hand side. So it can happen that angles can be on any side. So if I label this, if I call this as triangle ABC, and if I talk about this angle A, चलो A की बात छोड़ते हैं, थोड़ा सा अलग ले लेते हैं. If I talk about this angle C, so let's talk about all the three ratios. I can say sine of angle C, or there is one more way. Instead of writing angle, it is just said that sine C is equal to what? Or we can have this as some angle A, B, C, alpha, beta. Suppose I call it as alpha. इसके बदले I can say that this is sine of alpha, sine theta, sine alpha. So what will be sine alpha? Now remember, what was sine? Sine was opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this is the angle opposite. Opposite यानी जो exact इसके सामने है, that is opposite. आप मेरे सामने हो, आप मेरे अपोजिट हो. इसके सामने ये है, ये अपोजिट है. सो साइन अल्फा विल बी अपोजिट. एक बार चाहो तो मैं दोबारा लिख देता हूँ. अपोजिट साइड अपॉन, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो दिस विल बी अपोजिट साइड इज ए बी या बी ए, जो भी लिखना चाहें. हाइपोटेन्यूज इज ए सी. उसी तरह से अगर हम इस एंगल की बात करें, सपोज ये एंगल थीटा है. किसी ने कहा कि भाई साइन थीटा क्या होगा, तो साइन थीटा होगा एंगल थीटा, इस एंगल के लिए अपोजिट ये है। हम इस एंगल की जब बात करेंगे तो अपोजिट एंगल इज दिस, सो साइन थीटा विल बी अपोजिट, दैट मीन्स बी सी अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूस। हाइपोटेन्यूस इज सेम ए सी, hypotenuse is same, the side opposite to right angle. This is 90 degree, this is opposite side. This is very interesting. So that's why I always emphasize that you should remember the sides of a right angle triangle as opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Don't call it base or perpendicular, that will confuse you. So I have found sin theta, I have found sin alpha. कुछ और निकाल लेते हैं, चलो tan निकाल लेते हैं। tan भी हम दोनों का निकाल सकते हैं। लेट्स हैव tan अल्फ़ा। सो द फॉर्मूला फॉर tan अल्फ़ा इज वंस अगेन अपोजिट साइड अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड। सो अल्फ़ा मीन्स दिस एंगल, इसके सामने क्या है ए बी। एडजेसेंट साइड अल्फ़ा का क्या होगा, एडजेसेंट साइड यानी साथ वाला। जब भी आपके पास कोई ट्रायंगल होता है, यू आर हैविंग ए ट्रायंगल ऑफ दिस टाइप, सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस एक्यूट एंगल, सो एडजेसेंट साइड इज दिस साइड, दिस टू। तो उसमें से एक जो है आपका हाइपोटेन्यूस है, दिस इज अपोजिट, दिस इज एडजेसेंट, दैट मीन बी सी। So this is tan alpha. So like this you should try to practice again and again so that you remember all these relations, sin, cos, tan. Let's move ahead now. Okay, sin, cos, tan. थोड़ा सा कुछ करके देखते हैं। आई वियर साइन अल्फ़ा, आई वियर tan अल्फ़ा, आई वियर साइन थीटा। इन दिस वे आई कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट रिलेशंस। सपोज आई डू वन एक्सपेरिमेंट। इसको मैं मिटा देता हूँ। मैथमेटिशियंस दे यूजुअली प्ले विथ नंबर्स, दे एक्सपेरिमेंट। जैसे साइंस में, केमिस्ट्री में, फिजिक्स में लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, नई नई चीज़ों की खोज करते हैं, उसी तरह से मैथ्स में भी लोग कुछ ना कुछ करके कुछ नया निकालने का प्रयास करते हैं। अब मैं एक ही एंगल पर ध्यान देता हूँ जो कि है थीटा। अल्फ़ा की बात अब नहीं करेंगे थोड़ी देर। सो साइन थीटा, सो साइन थीटा विल बी sin theta will be opposite side, that means BC upon hypotenuse, that means AC। उसी तरह से tan theta की बात करते हैं। tan theta will be opposite side, that means BC upon adjacent, that means AB। opposite upon adjacent, ये रिलेशन याद रखना जरूरी है। when you will remember this, then only you will be able to write this, and don't try different tricks, learn it by heart, don't try। so this is the thing। अब जरा कुछ करके देखते हैं। सपोज आई डिवाइड, लेट अस डिवाइड sin theta by cos theta and see what do we get। okay, I don't know what we are going to get, let us see। you also divide and I too will divide, so I will write here sin theta divided by cos theta। let us take the values from here only, I will not make a new triangle। आपका ट्रायंगल पहले से बना हुआ है, यहीं से ले लेते हैं। sin theta आपने वैल्यू लिखा हुआ है, sin theta BC अपॉन AC ये लिखा हुआ है। tan थीटा आपने वैल्यू लिखा हुआ है, cos थीटा का नहीं लिखा हुआ है, चलो cos थीटा भी लिख लेते हैं। Can you imagine what will be cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta, this is theta, adjacent ये दो साइड हैं, कोई भी जो दीवार का कोना होता है उसके दो साइडें होती हैं, इन दो में से एक जो है हाइपोटेन्यूस है, दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूस, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं। तो ये दूसरा जो बचा है ये इसका एडजेसेंट हो गया। सो एडजेसेंट साइड डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूस, इट विल बी ए बी अपॉन ए सी। Now let us check these values and substitute over there. Sin theta is how much? BC upon AC divided by cos theta is how much? AB upon AC. Now let us simplify. So this becomes BC upon AC, and as you know, whenever there is some division, we are having denominator, so division can be changed to multiplication. डिनोमिनेटर में है यानी डिवीजन है, तो इस डिवीजन को मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन बना दिया, और ये जो ए बी अपॉन ए सी है दिस विल बिकम रेसिप्रोकल, सो दिस विल बिकम ए सी अपॉन ए बी, एंड नाउ यू कैन सी इट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो दिस ए सी विल गेट कैंसल विथ दिस ए सी, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? बी सी अपॉन ए बी। अब जरा आप इधर देखें, बी सी अपॉन ए बी कहीं दिखाई देता है आपको? सी हियर बी सी अपॉन ए बी, दैट मीन्स वी स्टार्टेड विथ साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा, वी सब्सटीट्यूटेड द वैल्यूज, वी सिंप्लीफाइड एंड वी गॉट दिस। जब हम यहाँ पहुँचे तो हमने ये देखा कि भाई ये तो वही चीज़ है जो ये है मतलब ये है। So sin theta upon cos theta value simplification BC upon AB, but this is same and this is this in the same triangle. So can't we say that this इस रास्ते से होते हुए it has reached here? That means both of these two things they are equal to each other, and here comes a very important conclusion that tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा। इसको आप ऐसे याद रखें, या फिर आप ये याद रखें साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा। सो आई विल राइट हियर tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा। सो दिस इज अ very important relation. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. How it has come, that we have seen. So you must note down this complete thing, and then we will see one more thing. So I hope you have understood this. Try this yourself once again. Make one more triangle, take a different angle somewhere at other end, put all the values and see you get this thing or not. So using this we will try to know some more identities, some more theorems of trigonometry. Till then, bye.